Hello, today I'm going to talk about repairing a Moen spout on a single lever faucet. Moen, one of the best, if not the best, faucets out there as far as I'm concerned. Just a small screwdriver to remove the cap, Phillips screwdriver to remove the handle. So we're going to take a set of channel locks and get a hold of this nut, and all this nut does is hold the spout down. So that comes off. Just a matter of pulling down, pulling up on the spout, and that one looks a little on the grudgy side. Now there's two O-rings here, two different sizes on Moen set of faucets. So take a small screwdriver, reach in like so, screwdriver underneath it. I usually squeeze the O-ring just a little, just to push a little bit of it out, and then it just rolls right off there. This one's even easier because it there's not a whole lot on the top side of that Moen faucet that actually holds it on. The spout actually pushes down on it, holds it in place. From there, I take a cloth, I give that a wipe, and what I usually do, I'll take just a small cloth and a little screwdriver, and I'll just go in around the faucet itself where the O-rings were, here as well. Change that up just a little. I'll have to get in front of the camera. And that's it. Take your O-ring. There's two things to do. I usually apply a little bit of grease on beforehand, and this is actually faucet grease. It's for valves and faucets. D&C is the name of it. It's excellent grease. Once I put it in place, and it's not really recommended that you use Vaseline on your O-rings. Something to stay away from. Actually, faucet grease does the job for sure. There's the smaller O-ring. Slides on there. This one basically rolls right into place. Just get it over that first little spot. There we go. And they can fight with you a little. That one jumped the gun. There we go. And I always grease the O-rings. Like I say, if you can stay away from Vaseline. I know Vaseline will do the job, but it will actually break the O-ring down, believe it or not. Now we're just going to reverse the order of what we did there. Check the inside of the spout just to see what it's like, and I'm going to give that a little wipe as well to get rid of some of the crud that's built up. There we go. So that's just a matter of sliding that into place, putting our nut back on, down, channel locks, snug it up just a little, hook your handle on there, and they're all pretty well the same when it comes to Moen. It's about how they work. Best faucet on the market, in my opinion. And there we have it. That's simple. I hope it helped a lot. Have a great day.